Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 19 of the Autodesk Maya 2017 training series. So today we're going to look at something called the graph editor or the animation graph editor where we can control the animation. So for example, I'm going to take this box right here and I'm going to increase its size and I'm going to do an animation right here. So let me just press S, go to the side, move the box and press S. So now I actually animated the z-axis of the frame. So you can see there's the z-axis, the translation z-axis. So I'm gonna see something like a graph animation. So if I were to play this, you can see that the box slowly starts up, takes up speed and then slowly slows down. So I can actually keep that consistent as well. So let's look at what an animation graph does here. So if I were to go to Windows, on my animation editor, I can go into my graph editor and there you can see that my z-axis. So you can see that there's an animation all the graphs, but I just added an animation on the z-axis. So I'm just gonna say translate z and I can see the keyframe right there. If you don't see the graph, just press F and then you're good to go. So you can see that the value here is around -0. So the translate z is -6 right now, and then it slowly gradually increases over 10 on the position. So now this actually, you can see that there's a bit of an acceleration and a deceleration. So if I were to do this, I'm going to select this. If I were to change the handle like this, and now you can see that it actually picks up speed and slows down later on. So if I were to press this, you can see that you see that there's a bit of a push and it slowly slows down. So this is something like sliding animation. So if you want to go to get this back as well, so if I were to right click on this and I'm gonna insert key right here and then go over here and then insert key over here as well. Just select this out and then insert key. So if I were to select this and drag this down a bit, you can see now this actually moves back and forth. So it goes forward, backward and forward again. So if I were to play this out, you can see it goes forward, backward and forward again. So you see that this is quite smooth now. I can also break the tangents, so I can actually break it by pressing this icon right here and break it. So now it seems as if it'll bounce. So if I were to break this again, so you can see I'm gonna break this again by pressing this icon and this icon. So now what I can do is I can make these kind of shapes. Now you can see, okay, break this one out as well. Now it actually has a bouncing like effect. So if I were to go over here and press, so you can see that it actually bounces, goes back and goes forward. So this actually helps you control the speed on the way you like. So this is how you do graph animation inside of Autodesk Maya. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please